Pomegranate juice is a delicious and refreshing beverage that is packed with health benefits. It is made from the ruby red arils, or seeds, of the pomegranate fruit and has a sweet, tangy flavor that is both tart and fruity. With its vibrant color and unique taste, pomegranate juice is a favorite among health-conscious individuals looking to add a boost of nutrition to their diet. One of the most impressive qualities of pomegranate juice is its high antioxidant content. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants that help protect the body from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants can help reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, and protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Pomegranate juice is a popular beverage that has been consumed for centuries due to its numerous health benefits. Here are some reasons why you may want to consider drinking pomegranate juice. 1. High in antioxidants. Pomegranate juice is rich in antioxidants such as polyphenols, which help to neutralize free radicals in the body. This can help reduce oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. 2. Heart health. Drinking pomegranate juice may help improve heart health by reducing inflammation and improving blood flow. Studies have shown that drinking pomegranate juice may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are risk factors for heart disease. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Pomegranate juice contains compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Studies have suggested that pomegranate juice may help prevent the growth of certain types of cancer cells, including prostate, breast, and colon cancer. 4. Digestive health. Pomegranate juice may help improve digestion by reducing inflammation in the gut and promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria. It may also help relieve symptoms of digestive disorders such as Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis. 5. Skin health. Pomegranate juice is rich in vitamin C, which is important for healthy skin. It may help protect the skin from damage caused by UV rays and pollution, and promote collagen production, which can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Overall, drinking pomegranate juice in moderation as part of a healthy diet can provide numerous health benefits. However, it is important to note that pomegranate juice is also high in sugar, so it should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet.